Today we're gonna unbox my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's open this baby. So excited. So pretty. This is how it looks like. It has a protective cover. And I think this is where I can put my microphone. Like, ding, 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 ding. Pretty. So unit to activate. I'm gonna need to use my phone. Alright, I think I already got this one connected to my phone. Do I need to turn it on? I think it's working now. Wait, I'll sit beside you. Auto detect start. So it's gonna follow me. There are options: video, photo, panorama.
What happened?
I'm just setting it up. Ooh. Ooh. Swipe from right to adjust exposure. Ah. And then how about picture? I'm gonna need to explore this more. Dagan padulong sa kuha. There. Oh. Hambak. Padul sa kuha sa hambak. Yeah. Kana daw ka nang medyo mo lower ka. Ooh. Music video daw ni.
Tayo ng video. Taka yung pag hindi naman yun, yung pag-ibig. Insta 360, human version.
Ayaw gusap na, pinay-ngani-ngani ko.
Kaya mo.
Nice ko, sure babe. Awa yung quality, no? Hello! We're testing out the new camera. Nothing fancy, just eating dinner. Our ulam is hiniling. Just testing it out. What I also like about the camera is that it's very handy and I can just place it anywhere like that. So handy. That's it, kuya.
Yeah, you said you're going to church. You missed the Bible. Did you go today?
Do you hear that?
Oh,
English beginning house.
wait. You ate chicken.
8 o'clock.
It is.
Because we had a funny rule to speak English. English only in the house. Whoever speaks Bisaya or Tagalog should pay like $1, and then we're gonna collect that money to buy household items like detergent. Let's eat. Natutuwa ako. But they're very serious. No! Why no?
We're serious, we don't want to pay.
It's from yesterday. We have a house rule that speak only English in the house. My wife tells me she thought that there was a foreigner here.
What's the English of? Pangilan ka sa inyong magkakapatid? Whoever
How
can
many
answer.
are you in your...
No, in your siblings? Where?
What's your rank?
What's your order? What's your order? Hindi.
Ay! Nakita ko ba?